How to upload photos to Canva app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily upload photos to Canva app. So let's get started. First, just head over to your Canva application and make sure you are logged into your account, and once you're inside here, just tap on this plus icon at the bottom of your middle of your screen, and once you're inside here, you can see there are photos being shown from your gallery as a suggestion. So you can simply tap on this upload button right next to custom size images section. So it will open up all of your files where your images and videos are located, and since we are uploading our photos, I'll simply choose any one of these just like this and simply upload or use it in design, and make sure to click on this use in design and it will soon be automatically uploaded to your Canva application. And once you successfully edit it, you can always click on this download button over here to save the image as download, and it will be automatically saved as your downloads on gallery. And whenever you come back and click on your recent design, that is your untitled design, for in my case, as you can see over here, you can always get back to that same design just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.